Hello everyone, let's move ahead. Here we've taken a high ponytail and then we have applied this beautiful clutcher with the ribbon string, and then we are going to divide the ponytail in two parts, and by using these strings we are going to make a simple braid by taking the string and folding them from the front and from the back, and then you can see you will get this simple braid ready. At last we are going to use a rubber band for securing them, and then you can see your simple easy hairstyle is almost ready. Now you can apply clips or clutchers on it as well. Next we are going to take this rubber band or ribbon with a long string and then dividing this pony into two parts, and using these strings we are going to make a braid by folding it from the front and from the back of our hair. You can see how this braid has been made, and then we are going to secure it by using a rubber band at the last, and then we are going to loosen it up from the sides, and then it's ready. Next we are going to take hair from the front, and then we are going to divide it into two parts at first, folding them out and then taking hair from the sides one by one and making this simple braid. After that you can see we are going to complete it and join it with a ponytail of one side we've made. After that you can repeat the same step with the other side also, and then we are going to apply this puffy rubber band on our ponytail, and then we are going to fold it out into a bun and applying this rubber band, and taking the excess part we have left remaining, we are going to fold it out with a bun only, as you can see in the video. After that you can apply any kind of rubber bands or clutches to it to make it look more interesting. Next we are going to take this pony and then dividing it into three parts. Then we are going to make a simple braid by folding it, and then we are going to loose it up while making this braid from all the sides. Then we are going to continue it at the last, and then we are going to use a rubber band for tying it up, and then we are going to fold it out into a shape of bun, as you can see in the video. After that we are going to use these pins on it, and then you can apply any clutches or beautiful clips to make it look more interesting. Next we are going to take a high ponytail and then divide it into two parts, and then applying a rubber band on one and folding it out, then passing the second part we've left remaining in the first one, and then you can see the bow is made, and then we are going to loosen it up by using this comb. After that you can apply any clutcher or clips to your hairstyle. At last we are going to take the hair and then start making this braid by dividing it into two sections and taking hair from both the sides one by one and applying a rubber band at the bottom. Then we are going to give it a beautiful heart shape effect at the last. Thanks for watching.